I feel like my hair is very, very clean every time. Now I'm loving washing my hair every day. A lot less breakage, no hair coming out. My hair is just so much more vibrant, and it's just looking healthier and healthier and shinier and shinier. Nioxin really has helped me feel a lot better about my hair. I used to not feel good about it at all. I would hide it, I'd put it away. Now I feel so much happier. I am so happy to have it down and showing and framing my face and, you know, showing it off. As a busy mom of 3, I don't really take much time for myself. It's about giving to others, and you're doing a lot. So this brand taught me it's okay to do that. It's okay to take care of yourself, and I get to see the results right away.